All right, guys, we're going to do day 1 of lesson 27. So go ahead and make sure you were on that page. Today we're going to be doing long vowel silent E and multi-syllable words. Okay? So we're looking at long vowel silent E, and that is where we have a vowel, a consonant, and an E at the end. We don't hear the E at the end because it is what? Silent. Good job. Okay? Now, all together, I want us to list out our vowels. Okay, here we go. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Good job. All right, everyone say sheep loop. Okay, what are my vowels? E, E, U, E. Okay, so my vowels are underlined, E, E, U, P, or E, E, U, E. All right, now we see that we have 2 long vowel silent E's. Okay, so now what we've got to do, we've got to say the word sheep loop. Now clap it, sheep loop. Okay, so we're going to draw a line right down the middle. Now this is a nonsense word. It's not a real word. Okay, now let's take a look right here. Sheep. Sheep. Where does that need to go? Long vowel silent E. All right, let's look at loop. L-oop. Loop. Where does that need to go? Long vowel silent E. Great job. Now, on your paper, you have a list of 5 words. And Miss Debbie, you can ask Alexa to set a 3-minute timer. You can pause the video and then we'll come back together. I want y'all to try to work to separate the syllables, underline the vowels, and then put them in the correct category. Either it's silent E or another syllable. So you can pause the video now. All right, so let's look at the first word. Everyone say flied mun. Clap it. Flied mun. Okay, so our vowels are I, E, and U. You should have them underlined. Let's look at that first syllable. Flied. Flied. Where does that need to go? Silent E. Awesome job. What about mun? M-un. Other syllables. All right, let's take a look at the second one. All right, everyone say chogue fern. Clap it. Chogue fern. All right, you should have O, E, and I-R underlined. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Ch-ogue. Chogue. That needs to go where? Silent E. All right, what about fern? F-earn. Fern. That needs to go in other. Okay, let's look at the third word. Everyone say pulvime. All right, clap it. Pulvime. All right, you should have U, I, and E underlined. All right, it's pull. Pull. Where does that need to go? Other syllables. Good job. What about vime? V-I'm. Silent E. All right, let's look at the fourth word. The fourth word is rosechul. Everyone say rosechul. Clap it. Rosechul. All right, let's sound out that first syllable. R-o's. Rose. Where does that need to go? Silent E. Great job. What about chul? Ch-ul. That is also silent E. Great job. All right, let's take a look at number 5. Everyone say by tide. Clap it. By tide. All right, you should have I, and E underlined. By goes where? B-I. Goes in other. What about tibe? T-ibe. Tybe. That goes in silent E. Great job, guys. All right, you can pause the screen here to have them check over their answers and correct any mistakes they have. And you may play when you're ready to go to the next thing. Okay. All right, now let's take a look. We have some different morphemes on the screen. We have duck, deuce, duct, port, scribe, script. So we are going to look very quickly. I see the word conductor. Okay, so we have conductor filled out. Now let's take a look. I see another word with duck, deuce, or duct, and I see that as product. Okay, product. All right. Now I'm looking for words that have port. I see the word import. All right. I'm looking for another word that has port in it. What about report? Oh, y'all know this thing does not like me. Here, I'll just write it again. Okay. All right. And now I'm looking at scribe, script. I see the word transcript. And I also see the word, let's see, transcribe. All right. Go ahead and get those copied down. You can pause the video here. All right, now I'm going to pick a word, and we've done this one before, but I'll look at this word. Oh, I had the eraser on. Y'all know that Miss Franklin and technology are not friends. All right, so the word we've looked at before is called portable. Okay, so our word is going to be portable. All right, and we've talked about portable before. Portable has been one of our spelling words, and we know that port means to carry and able means that you're able to do something. So what is the definition of portable? Able to carry. All right, so I want you to come up with a sentence that has the word portable in it. Miss Debbie, you can set a timer with Alexa for 2 minutes and have them come up with their sentences. Okay? All right. All right, so Miss Franklin's sentence is going to be, I used a portable charger to charge my phone. Okay? And if the charger is portable, that means that it is what? Able to be what? Carried. Great job. All right. So let's go to the next page. Now, I have 3 separate syllables on the board. Okay. So everyone say demonstrate. Clap it. Demonstrate. So we have 3 syllables. And our last syllable has that long vowel silent E, straight, straight. All right, now, remember, we don't say these until we are finished, or we don't write these down if you have these in your workbook. So if this is in your workbook, go ahead and put your pencils down for me. I need to have everyone clapping out the syllables with me. Okay, here we go. Everyone say reciprocate. Clap it. Reciprocate. What was the word? Reciprocate. All right. Everyone say translate. Clap it. Translate. First syllable. Second. What's the word? All right. Everyone say placement. Clap it. Placement. First syllable. Second. What's the word? All right. Everyone say evaporate. Clap it. Evaporate. All right. And the last word, let's take a look. Everyone say distribute. Clap it. Distribute. All right. Now, if this is something that y'all have to write down in your journals, Miss Debbie, you can go ahead and pause the video here. If not, you can finish up with the lesson, and you can hold up your phonics journals for Asher and Logan to come around and collect. Thank you. Be on your best behavior, guys. Love you. Bye.